Where are we going, baby?
We are going to the Bahamas.
Have you ever met Miss Lindy? She's a gal with the bright red hair. Now she stands high from all the rest. You know her anywhere. Well, she's mine. Yeah, she's mine. Well, I love that little girl with the bright red hair. Well, Miss Lindy, my Miss Lindy. Well, I love that little girl with the bright red hair. Have you ever seen Miss Lindy? She likes to dance all day, and when she does rock and roll, it takes.
Saying you've just driven into a building because you're in central Tokyo and you couldn't turn left.
Our GPS thinks that we are in Tokyo. Alright, we have just arrived. We just got off our fourth flight, and we are in Long Island finally. And Mike's been here for a few days already. That's why he looks so pretty, and why me and Aaron look like hell.
What an epic journey, right?
We're staying in a place called Harbour Breeze Villas, and it's one of the nicer accommodations on the island. I don't actually think many people realise just how remote and unpopulated Long Island is. There's only a few kind of like settlements of houses, like sparsely populated around the island, and that's it. Alright baby, take us away. Welcome to the house. This is where we are staying. This is our room. The bed is very tall, so they're giving us a stool to get up on it. We haven't unpacked yet. And we have a little bathroom in here. And there's Mike. Yeah, let's go. This is Mike's room. Same kind of thing. His bed obviously isn't as tall as ours, or is it? Oh, but no stepladder.
How do you get out?
How do you get into bed without your stepladder? Alright, we are off. We're off to the Blue Hole. Erin hasn't seen the Blue Hole before, so we're gonna just drive over there and show her the spot so she can see where the diving's gonna happen. Oh, that's cute. The goat whisperer at work.
Crab crossing. Now, do I go forward and crunch them slowly?
One's gone. Oh, they're gone. They're
There,
gone.
right.
I met a man named Melchizedek. He was a good man, wandering lonely in the desert. He invited me to stay, said I would learn to love the space. I knew a woman, her name was Jezebel. She was a wild one. She said, come out, we can have fun.
Just there.
And then she wanted me to go. She couldn't stand getting too close. And I'm curious who I'll meet next. Who among them I will love best. That depends upon the context. Doesn't it?
Who's your best friend, baby?
Oh no. Oh no. It's a risk taker.
What a cute shell he's found. Beautiful shell, isn't it?
It is a beautiful shell. Whoop. No! No, crab! You're gonna hurt yourself, you're too quick.
This is the world's sacred freediving temple. Diving in the blue hole is like nowhere else on Earth. It gets dark down there, but at the same time there's no current or swell or anything at all. It's just still quiet and beautiful. This year I've done a lot of looking into myself and looking into my own diving, and I feel like right now I'm in a really good headspace, and I don't really care what I do, I just want to dive. I just want to enjoy my diving. Yeah, so today Mike is doing some apnea walks in the morning, and he's chosen to prepare for it with a cup of coffee and some breakfast.
Yeah, shows you how much I'm into this.
So, Long Island is filled with just like pristine, incredible beaches, and this is the beach right in front of the bungalows where we're staying, and it is magic. All to ourselves. We're like some of the first athletes to arrive, so when the other athletes get here, we'll have to share it, but for now, it is just ours.
Oh dear.
It's my rest day today, and so we're spending the day basically hanging out at the beach. Mike is doing some apnea walks today, so he's not having a full rest day. Apnea walking is when you just take a deep breath in and then walk along the beach. Apnea walks are a kind of cruel torture that only the worst coaches make their athletes do. Me and Mike have the same coach, and he loves it when we suffer.
Yeah, I don't think any freedivers really like apnea walking, but it's a really necessary exercise because it allows you to keep breath hold training without actually getting wet. Yeah, sometimes it's useful for us to be breath holding every day so that our body thinks that it still has to hold its breath. We have to maintain our hemoglobin levels even if we're not actually diving, and that's what apnea walking allows us to do whilst technically still resting our bodies.
It's all been a bit of a whirlwind since we arrived in the Bahamas, so now it's time to actually enjoy our day off.
This video was made possible because of our patrons. Learn how you can support us and get access to the world's most complete freediving manual by clicking here. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and you might want to check out this video because I think you will like it.